Assalamu alaikum class 7. Welcome to your lecture of English. This is your instructor Aisha Salim. Students, as you know that we have started revision, and this video is also about a revision topic. And today we are going to do your worksheet. This is your page number 6 on your worksheet. Okay, and this is active passive voice of perfect tenses. This is present perfect tense. Okay, so students, I had chosen this topic because as your monthly tests are coming in next week, so I thought that this topic is included in your monthly test, so we can revise it. Okay, so let's start. Students, as you know that in perfect tenses, in present perfect tense, we use helping verb has, have, and a third form of verb. Okay, so all the active sentences are like this, and you have to make passive voice of these sentences. Okay, if we talk about active passive voice, as you know, I had told you that there are three main rules that remain same in every type of active passive voice. Number one is interchange position of subject and object, and number two is use of by, number three is use of third form of verb. So what makes perfect tenses different? That is been, BEEN, been. Okay, students, you only have to add been. Okay, all three rules are remain same, but in perfect tenses you have to add been while changing an active sentence into a passive sentence. So let's start. As you can see on the screen that I had solved this three sentences by my own self, so others one will be done by your own self, and it's page number 6 of your worksheet. Okay, so let's start. Number one is I have written a story, and its passive is a story has been written by me. Now I will explain that how you can change a perfect active sentence into a present perfect active sentence into a passive sentence. So as the rule number one is interchange position of subject and object. So the object is a story and it will become a subject here, a story. Now you can see that in active sentence the helping verb is have, but in passive sentence it's has. Why is it so? It is so because जब हमने इसको पैसिव बनाया है तो हम लोगों का जो सब्जेक्ट है वो चेंज हो गया ना नीचे आके. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी हैव यूज हैज़. आई के साथ तो हम हैव लगाते हैं, बट स्टोरी के साथ हमने हैज़ यूज़ किया. अंडरस्टूड? सो अ स्टोरी हैज़ बीन, एडिशन ऑफ बीन हेयर. ओके, एंड द थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब written. A story has been written by me. So now you can see, as I have told you about the four rules in the start of this video, all four rules are applied here. We have interchanged the position of subject and object, we have used been here, we have used third form of verb, we have used by. Okay, next sentence, they have built a house. Okay, now change it again. Object will become a subject. A house has, they के साथ have आया है, but house के साथ has आएगा. A house has been built by them. Okay, okay, let us do a random sentence also from all of these. Okay, she has not cheated anybody. Okay, it's a negative sentence, so how can we change a negative sentence into passive voice? Okay, let's start. Anybody has not been cheated by her. Okay, anybody has not been cheated by her. Okay, 13th sentence, they have not read the book. Now the object is the book, so it will become a subject in passive voice. So the sentence will be like this: the book has not been read by them. Okay students, so it's really very easy. these all sentences are of present perfect. It's on page number 6 in your worksheets, so you all have to do by your own self. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope that you can understand it. The video is helpful for you. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you so much everyone. Allah Hafiz.